Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you are building a website and stuck between Webflow and WordPress, you are not alone because these two platforms are among the most popular out there, but they cater to a very different needs. So the question is, which one is better for your project? So let's begin. Let's start with Webflow. It is basically a web design and development platform that allows users to build professional websites visually without requiring extensive coding knowledge. It combines the flexibility of a website builder, the power of a content management system or CMS, and the customization capabilities of traditional coding, making it a popular choice among designers, developers, and marketers. Now, if you're curious to know about the pricing, just click this button right here, and you would notice that it starts with a free plan for those getting started with Webflow. But you have kind of like a limited options in terms of the publishing and hosting. The basic comes at $14, which is billed yearly, and you have all of these simple kind of perks and benefits that you can take advantage. The CMS comes at $23, and you have all these. The business is at $39, and the enterprise is a big commitment that it needs a scheduled call with the sales department. If you hover to the e-commerce tab, you would notice that the standard is at $29, the plus plan is at $74, and the advanced is at $212. And for you to be able to test the waters, just click the start option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account here in Webflow, you should be able to receive a welcome email and then click the build your site, and you would be forwarded to the main dashboard of Webflow. Now, you would notice that once you are logged in, one of the key features of Webflow is the option to choose to create a blank site or start with a template. What will happen is you would be forwarded here in this section. You can choose from the category of the free and paid plan for your choosing your template. You see that templates are priced accordingly depending on the complexity. There are like $29, there are like $129, there are $79, and a lot more. But for now, we're gonna choose the free plan, template. We can maybe start with this one. If you want to preview the template for its responsiveness using the mobile and the desktop version, you might want to do that and click the use this template. Now you can rename this one and create the site. It'll take a little while, but you see, once it's loaded, it offers a very responsive design, allowing users to create websites that automatically adapt to different devices such as desktop, tablet, mobile, with breakpoints for customizing layouts. You know, when creating here in Webflow, you would notice that it has the Photoshop fields. If you are a fan or using Photoshop or Adobe apps, you would notice that it has a similar feel to the interface. All right. And of course, from here, you can put in anything in the left side panel. You can put in components, navigator, body, and of course, any assets that you wanted. It's a drag and drop kind of thing. It's very easy starting from here onwards. All right. Once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click the share button, or you can simply click the publish, whichever you prefer. Now, if you go to our next contender, which is WordPress, is a widely used content management system or CMS that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. All right. It allows users to create, manage, and publish content on the web without needing extensive technical knowledge. Now, if you wanted to get started, just click this button right here. It would give you options to create your account using your Google, your Apple, your GitHub, or your business or personal email. Once you have successfully created your account here in WordPress, you should be able to receive a welcome email, and all you have to do is click this log into WordPress.com button, and you would be forwarded to the main homepage. Now, you would notice that one of the key features of WordPress is the ability to give you a user-friendly interface. All right, it provides interface for creating and managing websites, blogs, and of course, online stores. Matter of fact, we have several WordPress tutorials in our GPlats YouTube channel. And from here, you might want to click the upper left corner where you can visit the site. Right here. You can click the change a theme, wherein WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to change in the look and feel of your site. Themes control the design, layout, and functionality of your website. And of course, you can search from the paid plans and the free plans, whichever you wanted. And of course, if you wanted the premium plans, you need to upgrade and subscribe. Not only that, WordPress has the plugins in the left side panel of your dashboard, wherein it gives you the added functionality right here. The popular plugins enable features like SEO optimization, e-commerce, security, contact forms, and more. All right, these are here to extend the functionality of WordPress, so you can seamlessly work with automations, workflow, and to create an efficient production level within your team if you're working with a client or team members. And of course, in terms of the extensibility, it allows integration with third-party tools, services, and email marketing, social media, and analytics. Matter of fact, WordPress is basically integrates well with WooCommerce. All right. You can simply set up a store and start selling online using the WooCommerce by clicking this button right here. All I have to do is provide all of the information necessarily for you to be able to create a free and continuously open source kind of store. All right. It supports sites, enabling product listings, shopping carts, and payment processing. Now, since we have been using both WordPress and Webflow, we highly suggest to use or choose WordPress if you wanted to use the core software, but you are one of the bloggers or part of a larger businesses or e-commerce stores requiring scalability, flexibility, and access to vast library of plugins. All right, there's a lot of plugins here. And of course, if you're looking for a cost-effective solutions with access to large community and plugin ecosystem, and again, you might want to choose Webflow if you want a design focus, all-in-one platform with minimal maintenance and stunning visuals, because it's ideal for designers, agencies, and small to medium-sized businesses that need custom, visually appealing websites with minimal ongoing maintenance. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.